Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a nested for loop in C. It should be noted that this has a time complexity of big O n squared. Okay, so if any of you are interested in big O notation, please take that down. All right, I'm going to start by creating two integers. One I'll call I, the other I'll call J. And I'm going to create my first for loop. I'm going to say for I equal to 0, I is less than 10. The loop will run while I is less than 10, I plus plus. So we'll increment the loop by 1 each time as we go through the loop. And then right inside of that, I'll have another for loop. And I'll say for j equal 0, j is less than 3. And we'll increment j by 1 as we go through the loop. Okay. Within the j loop, I will use a printf statement to print big loop, and then we'll give the number of the big loop, and then a comma, and then small loop, and we'll give the number of the small loop, put an exclamation point at the end for emphasis, and we'll have a new line at the end of each of these, and the big loop is I, and the small loop is j. Okay. At the end of our main function, we will return 0. Okay. I'm going to save this, and now let's open up a terminal. And let me make that a little bit bigger for you. And let's compile this into nested for loop. Okay, and now let's run it. And you'll see it goes through the loop. We start with big loop 0, small loop 0, big loop 0, small loop 1, big loop 0, small loop 2. Then we move to big loop 1, small loop 0, and we go through those. So each time we're going up by 3 because the smaller loop will take 3 times to complete each of the smaller loops within one bigger loop. I hope that makes sense, and I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.